We are in session 2 of learning clients management, and in lesson 2 we are going to learn about the new judges designation to add or edit. In previous session we learned about how to run the software and how to add a new client. In this session we will learn how to enter the designation of a judge or court. After entering the designation of judge, we will move to create the court of our practice. This is the fourth option under the new record menu, the judges designation, add or edit. We click on this button. It opens a new window for entering the designation of the courts. Some designations are already entered. Now we may enter a designation which are not available or edit one which is already entered. In the screen there is first shown judges designation. This shows the designation selected in the lower window of screen. Like this, which we select, it is shown in the upper window. If we want to add a new designation, click the add button. This will blank the side column of judge designation. Type here the designation we want to enter. Suppose training officer 2. Now again press the add button. It will add this designation in our database for further use. Suppose we want to delete a particular code. Select this CGM in the lower window. This record will be shown in the upper window, and now press the delete button. Now a confirmation window will appear, and press yes to confirm. This record is deleted and the column show the next record. If we want to edit any record, click on this record in the lower window and edit it in the upper window. Here it is shown Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary. Suppose we want to delete it or not delete it. To edit it, press backspace. Here now it becomes Chief Judicial Magistrate. Now press save button. Here an error message shown that if we edit this and save, the record of this designation will be duplicated, so it is not allowing us to edit it. Click here OK. So it is not saved. We may click on any other record. Here the error is showing again and again because we have not saved it. Now we have to put the cancel button so that it remains as it was already there. Now if we want to change something, click on this. Now it appears on upper window. Here district and sessions, we may type here judge and press the save button. Now this record is saved, but it is not showing here. It will not show up to when we does not click in any other record. As soon as we click on any record, the saved record is shown. Now we are saying here add or edit here, but it is written here that we can add a new record here or edit the old record here. There are 5 buttons in this menu. Add, for that you already know about it. Save is for the saving of an edited record. Cancel means if we have edited something and want to cancel, then we may press cancel button. Delete is for deleting a already present record. Exit is for exiting from this menu and go to main menu. Now we press exit here and the main menu appears. Now in third lesson we will learn how to add a new code of a judge. Here this is the third option under the new record menu. Click on the third option. A new screen appears. Judges codes edition. It is showing today's date. Judges ID new is shown and auto generated cannot be changed. It will be auto generated and cannot be edited. Now judge court name. Here we type the name of new court or judge. Suppose Sri Mahesh Kumar. Now judge's designation we have to select from the present database. Now we click on this arrow key. It will show you all the designation already entered. Select appropriate designation of the judge of this new court. Suppose in practice or on deputation. As soon as we click on deputation, the judge's designation automatically inserted. Now if do not want to save this record, we may press cancel button. If we want to add this code, we may press add button. As soon as we press add button, this new code is added in our database. After finishing our job, we may click the exit button to come out of this session. Here again we are on main menu. Now we start fourth session. In this session we will learn to add a new case of a client already entered in our first lesson. Click on the add cases button. A new window appears. In first row, case file number and client ID are there, which will be filled automatically when we select the client from the select client column by pressing the arrow sign of select client column. By like this, we have entered Ramesh, the last one in the row. Here Ramesh Kumar Khanna, which we have added, son of Sri Suresh Kumar Khanna. Now case file number is generated and client ID is, which was already generated, is 254. This arrow shows the clients arranged alphabetically, so it is easy to trace the desired client name. We have already entered the name of our client as Ramesh Kumar Khanna, so we have selected it. After selection, everything is appeared. We will note that case file number and client ID is automatically filled. Now in next column we have to provide the detail of new case such as case title. Case title means who is plaintiff and who is respondent. Suppose he is the plaintiff, so the plaintiff will be our client, Ramesh versus Gagan. This is a case name, case title, and now we have to feed where is this case filed, in which court. We have to select it from this arrow. The courts we have already maintained in our database and we have to select it from here. Here Mrs. Mansik God is the court, who is training officer, and court name is already inserted. We have to provide here the case number which is allotted by the court. Suppose 434/15, and next column is case 4. This case is for what? Recovery or declaration or insurance claim, like that. So if this is a insurance claim, we put here insurance claim. Date of filing. When this case is filed in the court, we may select from this calendar icon. Suppose it is 4th February 15, then date is automatically filled. Client as we have earlier mentioned that Ramesh is the plaintiff in this case, so client as plaintiff. This column is added separately because in any case our client may be a witness, so this column is generated. Now this is a new case, so date of decision we have not to fill it. Next column is for opposite counsel of which is our opposite party, that is Gagan. Gagan's advocate is Sri Kamal Kumar, and in next column we may feed his mobile number so that we may contact him in case of need. Suppose that is 8765456788, and it will accept only 10 digits. And next column is the fee settled for this case, which the client will have to pay to us. Suppose that is 11,000, we may write here. And next column is whether filed, tick for yes.